the main purpose for an assembly application is to make sure that the lubricant both stays on there during the initial startup process, because there's no oil in the system until it properly gets flowing, which could possibly take up to 2 minutes in the braking process.
So we want it to cling on any moving parts we put onto.
Exactly. Yeah. Cam lobes, main bearings, fastener bolts,
Yeah.
cam bolts.
Another reason for putting on the fastener bolts is to make sure we torque them properly too.
Yeah.
We don't want them to hang up because they got extra friction in there and
Yep.
they're not sliding on properly.
Exactly. Yeah.
Gas, diesel, does it matter?
Not at all. Nope.
I think there was something that makes our product very special. We targeted, I think, on 3 main pillars. The first one being the clinginess.
Yep.
It's super, super tacky and clingy. The protection, which the 2,000 parts per million plus.
Yep.
And then the other thing is corrosion resistance.
Absolutely. Yeah. The main thing with builds take a while. It could take potentially a year or more. So that engine's just sitting there with, 50 weight on it. So now we got the assembly lubricant.
Probably something to note about, no FR3, right?
No FR3.
Which is unusual for us for an
Yeah.
oil product.
Yeah, FR3 synthetic bases, we'd rather not use those in a break-in process. So this is a pure conventional product.
Okay.
You only have to worry about, the zinc content and conventional base oil.